Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Tab A11 and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down in this left section to find About Tablet. Let's tap. Then we have to localize a special number which is called build number, and let's try to find it in the software information. As you can see, the build number is right here, so let's keep tapping on it until you'll see the information that you're in the developer mode. Confirm everything with tapping on OK, and as you can see, we've got this information. Be aware, because if you've got the screen lock, you will have to enter it to confirm the whole step. So now in this left section we have to scroll down again, and as you can see, the developer options will appear under the About Tablet, so let's tap on it. So here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can turn the option to don't keep activities, so your device will destroy all opened apps. So it will not keep it in the background. We can show view updates, change the transition animation scale, we can show surface updates. Here we've got some options to connect it with the networking overall, because we've got Bluetooth, USB, NFC, Wi-Fi, etc. So to turn on the feature, you have to simply tap on the switcher on it, and as you can see, it will be immediately activated and applied. And of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off. Just take a look at this switcher which is pinned to the top of the screen and tap on it to turn it off completely. As you can see, the developer options will be inactive mostly, and here in the left section they are not visible in the list, no longer visible. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.